Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Roshan and you're welcome in Roshan's price action. First, let's see what happened today and then we will see what can happen tomorrow for tomorrow's trade analysis. Okay, if you remember in my last video I said if Bank Nifty closes below 22,000 then it will fall down until 21,000. I hope you guys will remember it. I said there is room for fall and it could fall up to 21,000 and it did in few days. Now for tomorrow, as you can see here, 2 weeks, good weeks and closing above halfway, so it can be considered as a hammer, and if it gets formed at support then we can see a good bounce. You can see here it was formed and we saw a good bounce. Here it was formed and we saw a good bounce. So similarly, even if it is red, if it respects 21,000 then we will be able to see 21,800 as well if it breaks 21,472. so the first target would be 500 and then above 500 it might try to reach up to 800 as well or 786 as well. Okay, so let's move to Nifty. Nifty, if you remember, I said it will fall big if it doesn't cross 580 or 600, and you can see from here it has fallen like anything in 3 days. Here also we saw good reaction yesterday as well and today as well. So if it respects 122, 126, then it can go up to 250, 300 as well, but it will be short again only below 11,000 or if it breaks 11,075. So these are two key support areas, 1175 and 25. So if it breaks that, then we might be able to see further downside on this towards 890, and if it respects this then we will be able to see pullback towards 220, 250 and 300 as well. Okay, let's check some of the stocks which I said yesterday first and then we will see what can happen in them as well. So Colpal, if you guys remember, I said I see a divergence in 2-hour time frame. I hope you remember it. You can see here the RSI was flat at 23 but the price was making dip. So this is called one type of divergence, bullish divergence. I saw this and said that if it respects 42 then buy above 42 455, I clearly said, and it did that. So above this will act as a resistance for this. If it breaks that as well then I would say straight away it will go to 1375 and 1388 as well. So keep that in mind. Hindustan Unilever, we saw a great fall and we booked some loss as well when we were long. It was a clear short below 2100, but I thought it might take support of this area and then it might go up, and we carried some C and we booked around these levels. But today we saw good reversal from 2000 level and it has closed at around 2055. So if it trades above this, then next target would be 2090 again or 2100. It can be considered as a retracement as well. See, if it has fallen a big way, then a retracement up to this much and then further fall might continue. So keep that in mind when you take trades. Indigo. Let me change it to daily time frame. See, I have told you many times in my videos what happens when a stock gives a breakout. So it was a clear breakout above 1218. If it gives a breakout, then it can retest the breakout and then it can go further up, and it happened again. See, this was a clear breakout area. What did it did? It gave a breakout above this, and I was saying above 1300 as well it was a clear breakout, but it didn't sustain there and it formed a resistance at 1352. I hope you know how to draw support in resistance videos. If you don't know, then you can check my previous videos where I have clearly mentioned how to draw support and resistance. You can see it was a clear resistance area, so it acted as a resistance and then it retested the breakout area. Now it has given a good pullback, so there is possibility then it can touch again the high and it might break as well. So the movement is like good upside, retracement, then further upside. So if it goes above 1350 again positionally, then my target would be 1480 as well. So keep that in mind, traders, and if you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and at last I would like to say, see, we all are intraday traders, so I have made quite few videos on RSI divergence, 1 minute time frame, and 20 MA, 200 MA, how to use them for trading. So I'll give you the link of all such videos in this video, and you can watch them for gaining some knowledge. Thanks for watching.